Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. On this beautiful day here in southern West Virginia, spitting snow, getting ready for single digit temperatures next week. It's gonna be awesome. What we're doing today, this lady brought this horse trailer to me. I've done a few videos on this horse trailer. One thing she said was some of her exterior lights weren't working, like her tail lights and stuff like that. And I will, if you want to see that other video, I'll link it right here. We had to put a new pigtail on the trailer cord because the old one got drug off, and all the lights work fine. So I'm thinking that the problem could be in her truck. So we're going to check that out. No fooling around today. It's too cold to fool around. Let me get my test box out. Me and the Hair Bear bunch are going to test the truck wiring and see what we got. I told you, me and the Hair Bear bunch are going to check this out. Alright, I'm going to go turn some lights on. Y'all watch the box. Alright, turn the park lights on. So we have no park lights. Let me try a left turn. Huh. No left turn either. Seven-way's not working at all. Well, that seems strange, doesn't it? Wonder. Huh. Yeah, that's really strange. Nothing is working. Oh, I didn't have it plugged in good. There's probably the problem. Is I plugged it in good, but it wasn't making contact. So now we got a charge line, we got right turn. Let me try the left turn again. Y'all couldn't even see. All right, we had a right turn, we got a charge line, we got no left turn. We got park lights, so one turn signal is the only thing we don't have. So we got right turn, we got park, we got charge line, we don't have left turn. Yeah, the left turn should be blinking. Okay. So, what's that mean? Well, it means that there's no power coming back here to the 7-way plug for the trailer lights for the left turn. So what's wrong? Well, I'm going to show you probably what's wrong. Who knows? I could be wrong, but I'm probably right. Most people don't know that most modern vehicles, most modern trucks, have fuses in the vehicle for the trailer. Let me show you. So, typically, the fuse box that holds the trailer fuses is under the hood. Let me move y'all. Let me move y'all in a little bit closer here. So here is our fuse box right here. Now we gotta look on this legend here and this little bitty writing. Figure out which fuse is our trailer left turn. It'd be marked trailer park, trailer left turn, trailer right turn, and trailer charger, trailer power typically. So we're looking for the left turn. So let me look for that real quick, and we'll see what's going on. Grab a light. Fuse F53 on this one. It says trailer tow, left turn, and stop. So now we got to figure out where fuse 53 is at. There's only about 100 fuses in here. 53. '53 right here. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Well, there's your problem. The fuse blew. Somebody pulled it out, but they never put one back in. Because this was just laying in here, a 20 amp fuse. So, let me get a fuse out. Fuse 53, is it supposed to be a 20 amp? It is, okay. Ooh, that's a real little one. I don't have one that small. That thing's tiny. I got a big set of fuses, but none that small. Let me see if there's a spare. A lot of times there's spares in here. Seems like all the spares, there's nothing in the spare slots.
I wonder why. That's so strange.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is try and find the trailer right turn, which should be a 20 amp. Just put it in the left turn, just make sure everything's good, and she's going to have to get a fuse. Of course, the right turn is fuse 81, because I mean, why would you put it right beside the other one? We find 81. Where are you at? 81. One, two, three, 4 down. right, let's go see if the left turn light on my box is flashing. Yes, it is. So, there we go. We're not gonna be able to fix it because I don't have a fuse, but we know what's wrong. It had a bad fuse. So I guess that's gonna be it for this one. This is shorty. A lot of good information though. A lot of people don't know those fuses are up there. She didn't know, and somebody did because they pulled the fuse out and left it lay there. Never put one back. So that's gonna be it. Don't y'all blow a fuse. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. I'm gonna get this lady hooked up to her horse trailer so she can take it home, and y'all have a fantastic day.